Hi, my name is Anthony from the HBP Group, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating how you can get yourself set up using multi-factor authentication with Duo. First, what you will need to do is we need to open up a web browser, and once the web browser opens we need to log on to outlook.office.com. Once you've logged on to outlook.office.com, you need to enter your email address in, followed by the password. Once you put your password in, you should then begin the tutorial in getting yourself set up with multi-factor authentication with Duo. And we click on Start Setup. Once we click on Start Setup, it'll ask you what type of device you're wanting to add. So in this case, we'll be using a mobile phone. And when we click Continue, it'll ask us for our telephone number. Pop in your mobile number in there. Tick this box to ensure that it's been entered correctly. Scroll down and click Continue. It'll ask you what kind of phone this is, so in this case we'll be using an iPhone, and click Continue. Next, on your phone, we need to go to the App Store. Once we go to the App Store, we search for Duo Mobile, and select either the cloud if you've had it previously installed, or select Get. Once the app is downloaded, it will then install, and then you click on Open. And then the Duo application on your phone will give you a tutorial on how you can get these two devices connected. We click on Continue. And then you can either use a QR code or use an activation code. Now referring back to the screen, it says launch the App Store to search for Duo and then click Get and then Install to start the download. Now that we know that we do have Duo Mobile installed on our phone, we click on I have Duo Mobile. It appears with a QR code. We select on the phone use a QR code and then we scan the code. It'll ask you to name your account on your phone, so you click on Next. We select this as the HBP Group, as this is what the account is under, and then we select Save. You then have the option to either practice or skip, but of course in this demonstration I'll be selecting Practice Now to give an example of how this works. So select Practice Now on your phone, and it'll run through a quick tutorial. For example, imagine you see this but you aren't trying to log on, what would you do? So in this scenario, this would happen if someone is trying to access your account and you're not trying to access your account yourself and you're not aware of anyone else trying to access your account. For this scenario, you would click Deny. Once you've selected Deny, you click on Next, and it'll ask you another example question. Now you are logging in and you do see this prompt either to approve or deny, so you are aware that you are trying to log in and you press Approve. Duo is happy with those answers. You've confirmed the identity in those example scenarios, so we click on Next. We make sure that we allow notifications so that you are notified when someone is trying to log in or whether it is yourself that's trying to log in. You select Allow from the settings of the phone, and you can click on Continue to improve experience and then click OK. Referring back to the Outlook screen, if we swipe down, we click on Continue. Ensure these details are correct, and then ask it to choose an authentication method for when you log in. You can either ask it to choose, so it'll ask you if you want to select a code or if you want to use a push notification, or we select automatically send this device to a Duo push, and then we click Continue to login. It's asking us now to try and log into Outlook. We'll select Send me a push, and on the phone you'll appear with either Approve or Deny, and because we're aware that we are trying to log in, we select Approve. Once we've selected Approve, you're then able to log in and proceed to get access to your emails. Thank you very much for joining me on this episode. If you have any questions, any queries, or you do require any further assistance with any other IT issues whatsoever, feel free to drop us a call or send us an email, and we'll be able to assist you as soon as possible. Thank you.